The city of Rio de Janeiro, located in Brazil, is a vibrant and charming destination that attracts millions of tourists every year. Known for its stunning scenery and rich cultural heritage, Rio de Janeiro offers a unique combination of natural beauty, historical landmarks, and lively atmosphere. Rio de Janeiro boasts breathtaking views and iconic landmarks such as the Christ the Redeemer statue atop Corcovado Mountain and Loaf Mountain. These landmarks offer visitors panoramic views of the city's picturesque beaches, including Copacabana and Ipanema. Rio de Janeiro is known for its vibrant tourism industry. Travelers come to see the world-famous Carnival, which showcases colorful parades, samba music, and energetic street parties. The city also offers a wide range of attractions such as botanical gardens, museums showcasing Brazilian art and history. Tourism in Rio de Janeiro offers a wide range of activities to suit the interests of every traveler. From exploring historic sites, such as the colonial-era city center, to outdoor adventures, such as hiking in Tijuca National Park or surfing along the coast, there is something for everyone. When planning a visit to Rio de Janeiro, it is important to consider factors such as safety precautions and local customs. It is advisable to study the tourist guidelines and take the necessary precautions when exploring the city. The city of Rio de Janeiro is an enchanting place that combines natural beauty and cultural richness. Whether you are interested in exploring the stunning scenery or experiencing the vibrant festivals firsthand, Rio de Janeiro promises an unforgettable travel experience to all who visit.